Navigating the world of Canadian payroll can be a real headache. Business owners, whether in bustling Toronto or scenic Halifax, have a lot on their plates. They need to worry about things like sales, marketing, and keeping customers happy. The last thing they need is to get bogged down in complex payroll calculations. This is where dedicated payroll software comes in. It's not just a convenience, it's a necessity for modern business. These tools help ensure your employees get paid accurately and on time every single time. They take the guesswork out of a very critical business function. Think about all the rules you need to follow. There's the Canada Pension Plan and employment insurance deductions. You have federal and provincial taxes to consider, which vary from British Columbia to Newfoundland. Getting these numbers wrong can lead to big problems. You could face penalties from the Canada Revenue Agency, which, honestly, no one wants. Good payroll software automates all of these calculations for you. It stays updated with the latest tax laws and remittance schedules. This means you can breathe easier, knowing your business is staying compliant without you needing to be a payroll expert. Beyond just paying your team, these platforms are about efficiency. Let's look at two of the most popular choices for small to medium-sized Canadian businesses: Wagepoint and Payworks. Wagepoint is often praised for its simplicity and friendly approach. It was designed with the small business owner in mind. The interface is clean and easy to navigate, even if you have zero payroll experience. They pride themselves on making a complicated process feel simple. Wagepoint handles all the core necessities like calculating federal and provincial taxes, managing Canada Pension Plan and employment insurance deductions, and processing direct deposits. It's a fantastic starting point for startups and small teams who need something that just works without a steep learning curve. Payworks, on the other hand, offers a slightly more comprehensive suite of tools that can grow with your business. While still user-friendly, it provides a bit more depth in its features, making it a strong contender for medium-sized businesses. Payworks also offers robust solutions for direct deposit and automatic government remittances to the Canada Revenue Agency. Where it stands out is in its additional modules. You can add on human resources, time and attendance, and applicant tracking solutions. When it comes to pricing, their models are a bit different. Wagepoint is very transparent with its fees. They charge a base fee plus a per-employee cost each pay run. For example, it might be a $22 base fee plus $4 per employee. This makes it easy for a small business in a place like Calgary with only a handful of employees to predict their costs. There are no hidden setup fees, and you can cancel anytime. Payworks tends to use a quote-based pricing model, which is common for software that offers more customization. This means you'll need to contact their sales team to get a price tailored to your company's specific needs. While this isn't as straightforward as Wagepoint's public pricing, it allows for a more personalized package. A growing manufacturing plant in Winnipeg, for instance, might need advanced time tracking integration that a small coffee shop doesn't. When your business grows beyond a certain point, your needs become much more complex. This is where a powerhouse like Ceridian Dayforce enters the picture. Dayforce is not just payroll software, it's a full-blown human capital management platform. It's designed for medium to large enterprises, think national retail chains or large corporate offices in major hubs like Montreal. Dayforce combines payroll, HR, benefits, workforce management, and talent management into a single, seamless application. This unified approach means data flows effortlessly from one module to another, providing a single source of truth for all employee information. The features within Dayforce are incredibly deep and powerful. Its payroll engine can handle even the most complex scenarios with ease. This includes multiple pay schedules, union requirements, and varying provincial labor standards across the country. For a company with employees in Alberta, Ontario, and Quebec, Dayforce can manage the distinct payroll rules for each province without breaking a sweat. It also provides advanced reporting and analytics, giving executives deep insights into labor costs, overtime trends, and other key performance indicators. This level of data is invaluable for strategic decision-making at a large scale. Of course, all this power comes with a higher level of complexity and cost. Implementing Dayforce is a significant project. It requires careful planning, data migration, and employee training. It's not a plug-and-play solution you can set up in an afternoon. The user interface is dense with features, which can be overwhelming for a casual user. However, for a dedicated HR or payroll professional, it offers an incredible amount of control and customization. The support provided by Ceridian is also enterprise-grade, often including a dedicated implementation team and ongoing account management to ensure you get the most out of the system. Pricing for Dayforce is entirely customized and is at the premium end of the market. You won't find a simple price list on their website. The cost will depend on the number of employees, the specific modules you choose, and the complexity of your organization. It's a major investment, but for large companies, the return on that investment comes from efficiency gains, better compliance, and powerful data insights. A large construction firm with projects across Canada, for example, would find Dayforce's ability to manage complex union pay rates and job costing to be essential, justifying the significant upfront and ongoing costs. So, how do you decide which software reigns supreme for your business? The answer really depends on your company's size, complexity, and future ambitions. There is no single best platform for everyone. The key is to match the software's capabilities to your specific needs. A freelance graphic designer in Moncton with a few part-time contractors has vastly different requirements than a national logistics company managing hundreds of drivers. The first step is to honestly assess what you need today and what you might need in the next few years. Don't pay for enterprise-level features if you only have 5 employees. For small businesses, startups, and anyone who values simplicity and transparent pricing, Wagepoint is an outstanding choice. Its user-friendly design and straightforward pricing model remove the stress from payroll. It's perfect for the owner who wears many hats and needs a reliable tool that works without a fuss. If you run a small cafe, a boutique digital agency, or a local trades business, Wagepoint provides all the essential features you need to pay your team correctly and stay compliant with the Canada Revenue Agency, without any unnecessary complexity. If your business is in a growth phase, or if you're a medium-sized company looking for a more integrated solution, Payworks is a compelling option. It strikes a great balance between ease of use and a powerful, scalable feature set. The ability to add on HR and time-tracking modules makes it a platform that can grow with you. A mid-sized tech company in Waterloo or a regional chain of physiotherapy clinics would benefit from its more comprehensive ecosystem. It allows you to centralize more of your employee management tasks as your team, and your administrative needs expand over time. Finally, for large, complex enterprises, Ceridian Dayforce is the undisputed heavyweight champion. It is the go-to solution for organizations that need a powerful, all-in-one human capital management platform to manage a large and diverse workforce across multiple provinces. The investment is significant, but the capabilities it offers in terms of compliance, data analytics, and operational efficiency are unmatched for businesses operating at that scale. The best payroll software is the one that fits your business like a glove. Take the time to evaluate your needs, book a demo, and choose the partner that will help you pay your people and grow your business with confidence. Choosing the right payroll software is more than just streamlining payments. It's about building trust with your team, staying compliant, and supporting long-term growth across Canada's diverse business landscape. A smooth payroll experience boosts morale, gives business owners peace of mind, and lays the foundation for success. Subscribe to MaplePay Insights as we continue exploring top Canadian payroll solutions. We'll be covering more platforms that are just as powerful as Wagepoint, Payworks, and Dayforce. Stay tuned for our next video.